The AUTOPSTENHOJ Maestro 2.50 and 2.55, the perfect two-post lift developed for repair and maintenance. The welded and symmetrically installed posts are perfectly suitable for safe lifting of large and heavy vehicles, up to a maximum of 5.5 tons, even those with difficult lifting points. The maximum working height of 2 meters, as well as the CE stop, are freely programmable. The internal arm locking system is a truly special feature and unique on the market. The particularly strong locking mechanism is protected against dirt and moisture, offering a high level of functional reliability. The cold-rolled spindles and the nut sets made of a special nylon alloy ensure maximum safety with a long working life. The lift is driven by 2 powerful motors, which lift smoothly and safely to the required height. The obstruction system stops the lift automatically when touching down on an obstacle. Electronic synchronization is monitored and controlled by an impulse comparison of the 2 columns during the entire lifting process. The carriage on roller bearings ensures extremely low friction in the columns and thus contributes to low wear and low maintenance operation. This leads to smooth operation, less stress on the motors, minimized power consumption, and lower costs. Due to the universal lifting area, a variety of vehicles can be lifted, from small cars up to transporters with a long wheelbase. A second control unit is optionally available for comfortable operation. As an additional option, the wheel supports allow completely free access to the underbody of the vehicle. The wide range of accessories offers solutions for any kind of lifting situation. The welded posts of the Maestro 2.50 and 2.55 are the most stable on the market. In combination with the carriage on roller bearings, they are a guarantee for an extremely long working life. It almost goes without saying that these lifts have received numerous product recommendations from leading vehicle manufacturers. For more information, simply contact us at AUTOPSTENHOJ.com.